for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Aquaba, latest hot and one Aremeyaw bro. Now, Sana is something in a bebaro. So we now subscribe, ya, but more than I say over subscribe. Now, while I give video, don't give us a thumbs up, not fee. Share now with Fufrosu. Now, when you be here now, and someone Akoso, Ewo Ghana Memohano. I feel you share a year and someone Abeto Yaponoso. Inti a year, some come a year, Sansamoya, Babitu, Moma Inti, their Akoso, Inti Zema.
You know the number of people you go to dissipate over there. But it is a $1.3 billion, Mr. Chu. The money has gone west. And Atigya was mysteriously reshuffled. Atigya and Yenny Pebium were Akufo Addo Abayimu Abisi there. Or the me Lord, no my idea, Kwanukotum.
No, do
Akufo Addo went to me anye. Maybe some person can't and crying so if I'm wasem. I mean, I'm not interested ever again. Sankamina me yaman penindia. When I know they have been Casameyo. And the Kwabena me faswa. They did the biggest drainage. A free straw. Beba bebo pudumuni dia eno meye. Sabeka Jubilee House a medri. I'm being honest though. Maybe your president in the capital no ebeko Kintampo. Ebeko the center of this country. Ebeko. And Ken Ofori Atta no metentra say Kojo loan then and run America say ya me no ka say president ben and the finance minister akadwam when Mr. Aju Rollins the finance minister na ye hwan Kwesi Boche ene Kwame Pepra Kwesi Boche wenwane okakroyim owuwa ha Kwame Pepra ko jail by odate ha onkoi Victor Solomon Kurano okoho bewuyi ewo Ghana hayai wenwane Kufo ofaya osafmafo otikroyim Gabby osafmafo edwane okay Kojo Kyeremanteng do the finance minister track room here no wu yemboa Professor Meseba no kofa yem papa pani Dr. Kwabena Agyapong former governor of the Bank of Ghana but also to kroyim wedane wendane meboa and John Dramani Mahama baye from 2012 and no 2013 7th January obaye no kofa setape baye pacho setape wedane setape that to krom ha Eba ne say na Akufo Addo nko ne finance minister wadwa hwe sa papa no wo wudi na chi wo na kum
man can ye kra
sa so bedi Akufo Addo wo ene sa na busuafo no sa na Gabby otchere darko ene ne Asante Bediatuo ne sa na chimfo no de twa omo hia na I don't want to sound tribal. Wuti wudi Akufo Addo sa papa no so wudi na chi a me donya no hia na yi ase wo ba bu na kunu. The only president in this country, the finance minister, Waira in the Fourth Republic. Even Rollins, the finance minister in Yane. Kwame Nkrumah, the finance minister in Yane. Yay! Buzia, the finance minister in Yane. Onwa Akufo Addo, the papa bedi president 6 months, the finance minister in Yane. President Tibi and Nkrumah, the finance minister in Yane. Jim Quantetia wenu San Cretia for him. When Oban also pa Akretia Dania Sakwaduasa. The finance minister came them. Mamitum was the Mikasam Church. Who ye? President Ben Pan and the finance minister. Where to consider on Mom Habium.
Cathedral, no, there could be as you listen.
GH boys, maybe Juma. Finance minister, if you are not tired, I am tired. Me, I don't know because some people baby say when you meet a good person, be careful. Because yeah, very good people, no? We have a very long time of consuming and taking in whatever. But when we are done with you, I can be the best friend, the best husband, the best boyfriend, the best son, the best nephew, the best whatever. But when I am done with you, what from me pa na me fa wo?
Oh, I don't know.
Na kwa we
When
say and then there say na otumi the school bag bonachi. We na bag bonachi. Sa ya fa say Ken Ofori Atta. Who body deep na emu a wo Ghana ha na kura wu. Sa de we on na moyi. Na asofo okrom ha so so sharp white o nyame sum ni. Nyame betua yenka. Na kwa we say in less than 1 year on 9 countries okobo ha na wakobo ha. When my dear ehu oda you should Ghana diplomatic passport because they dey expire. Atasa. Who revoke why? Time now who revoke no. Only they won't be revoked because officially otukwa free Ghana. Enti antasa oba return no won't be the diplomatic passport to free nsam. Akwawe onu an normal passport na ye use o Ghana ha no. Oje the US visa. Ena ode diplomatic passport no ko so koji sim. Ena koji Cayman Island there. No oje Canada. No oje Schengen. And because I'm a finance minister, and see I'm an indefinite. It took a passport to me, no, the diplomatic passport, and then they're friend normal passport, no. Sakwa we on number. Me doing ya misses and me a mampania, come me at Titenekun. What can I see here, Captain? What do you mean by that? Say a tia so now wait me ama obia on him wo ade we a won nam hoyi wait me ahwe nyame anim ama pemfo awu wait me ahwe nyame anim ama an innocent pregnant woman we're losing a life, we're losing a child na kwa we and nam ho pensioners including Gloria Akufo. These people have lost their life savings. This guy is walking freely on the streets of Europe and other islands and look agradenya ketenyu oko
Cathedral.
Akwa we nkwasi 70 untumi na ebre.
Cathedral no dey kwen bi aso ebesi.
Akwa we nkwasi 70 untumi na ebre. And we are saying sir about the same Akufo Addo finance minister and you hear na ye hunu
to there.
Jerry say ya me no ka say China former Greek minister and when I share video now ya sentencing to death. China a Greek minister ya de ko e the machine atchere ne nsa say ya de machine so atchere ne nan na machine no atwene mu grrr
Wani
ya kuno adentra wa ye connection bi a ama China aboka $10,000. $10,000 and 100,000 Ghana cedis or Ghana. Kind courtesy Ato Forson. Ato Forson, I mean, just $10,000. Ye kuma Greek minister. Ye kuno. Abraham ye de ahomaso de nsa. Ye de ahomaso de nan machine wa ya twene mu grrr. But this thing calling himself Ken Ofori Atta, me ma kan kire de bia wo bete se achimini bia be president edi ye mu se be ofri yi ansa so ben Akufo Addo a oye bomb
adan me adan
de bia wo bete so bia be president edi Addo wo di dim mento abama no
adan me nya Ghana ni bio
ade bia wo be so bi be president edi Ken Ofori dangerous
Ghana for mu sori o Ghana for Munsorio.
And now, Sakwa Akwawe, and we are seeing now, Okutabag Bodechi, and President Biamba Fourth Republic, in the Fourth Republic, Ghana. Pacho, President Ben, what is the finance minister? We're Johnny. What's I wondering who? Akufo Addo is the only president and the finance minister. We're Johnny. Yeah, say Akwawe, when my baby are Ken Ofori Atta Yanko. Onu ankasa, he's wishing he's dead.
Cathedral no de Kweku Annan.
Sakwa we onam we.
Cathedral no de Kweku Annan.
Na yenya asofo to bi kohiem ko bompa ye ma akwa we. Sofo bia wo bo sampa ne bi no osoro ne wundi. Na akwa we ye bompa ye ma ne ko. Abraham. Accra drainage system. Fair sika ebaye is $750 million. Okay. $750 million in 2017. It went waste. The second amount of money. 2018 sikama, 2019. And Akufo Addo koto ayampia. Ewo Kumase. Say Mahamadu Bawumia nye emensuo to a efankofo nkran no no ne mreso ensi $1 billion abafin and $300 million beka ho and a heat ba attach ya trim was medwiri ni ma to agu makosi skyscrapers and also Amvin
Cathedral no de Kweku
Kebi ama 2019 year kwa koto abado ena nanado eka se Okufodua se ono na breso no de o hye wo mo bo se wo mo busuafo e won kran se nsuo to a emfa wo mo biom and so another $600 million fee and so ahye ye de ne ye beye ye nye into 2021 March. Ye di 6 March ni wie ye no. E no mo hu se o ma di nkwasi asem. Tanifo etie mfa nche me. O ma di nsenhunu ma me nka ne saa. Na wan ka chem se me di atem. O ma di nsenhunu. Eti saa na tie de a. Ye mpe kwa bi mfa so. Na mo de o mani kosi Ibrahim Mahama so. Say Ibrahim Mahama. Wani. O ka se obeti odo nim. Na ne bra Mahama man sika Ghana for mo kai 2021 March na me wo angel bibini ena me nso me fa kire me wu no kura na wa asem na me say no daddy asem na omode to Ibrahim Mahama so no enye no kura eno ne me trouble e sha ase e wo angel Kojo Dixon, any first person your friend me, who we are just general manager of a station, Angel Accra, maybe a director of operations, ABN. Now who be question me? More dam. Let me catch us a way free agua. I don't go catch a yabrefone, Kwabena Agyapong. Some permanent free me office. And I'm saying, what do you mean? Ye can Ghana sama what the was for na eba ho Bisa Kojo Dixon
Jetta
and I'm teaching
Captain
First Sammy Gyamfi na busa no and your first Sammy Gyamfi that time we produce a friend Jerry Twetwemode and I'm catch Jerry Twetwemode say hey Twetwe friend Sammy Gyamfi
he is smart.
Put your treasure somewhere. Call Sammy Gyamfi.
Sure.
Na ye Musano said this are the issue. And the Sammy Gyamfi chairman Ghana for United says say na Ibrahim Mahama ade no oye no free. Mebo ana Ghana for. Eti yama Cecilia Abena Dapa.
Sure.
Na the deputy any honorable Patrick Buama. Womu konkrata e wosa ministry ni nyina mu womu hwehwe bibi e de akɔhye Ibrahim Mahama kon na yetimi akɔkye Ibrahim Mahama womu anya hwe bisa Patrick Buama Sisi Adapa so otiase.
The king of morning shows.
Na sa sika no. Yenum momadi.
Na sika no wa
Ena Akufo Addo. God hwehwe me se me nkankan so kura se dem tena me waste time cry ya.
Captain Smart. The king of morning shows.
Ayana me buafu wahu and anti bi ni anti ama me se nua ma ne Boakye I am fanche me. Ye kan Ghana asama wo ete se wo twi me mu moja. Patrobo for sound no to ase be anti Ibrahim Mama.
As equipment to be able to help Mother Ghana. They sold this drain that really cost lives a few months ago. So if you've come here to see, it's actually a day and night operation. We work day, we work night to be able to fasten the job. But the job is not a small job. The job likely could take a year, could take a year and a half, but we are at it. And government is supporting us with equipment and fuel to be able to fuel the job. And our contribution is the personnel and the supervision of the job. If government gives me a truck to work and I don't put my name, and next in the truck is actually in a magazine and they are breaking the parts and selling it, what do I say to government? And with us as a company, we need to ensure all the equipment such that if it kills anybody, if it runs into if it gets bent, it gets stolen, we're covered. That's why we need to put our stickers on them. Stickers don't mean ownership. Stickers just mean who is using it, and that's why we put them on there. But I wish to stop because a good man is never honored in his own country, and that's what I feel. I mean,
I wish to stop because a good man is never honored in his country. Patro sa some way, any samre we na Akufo Addo time. So omuwie ya Godwin ko hwe engineer na okoye se odo ye besi hotel esiso gwen boss a video no am I don't know ojai answer na wo ye be boss a video no we ya camera there here one come on look me zoom me mani ko so ya no ye miabra ento zoom my eyes proper very good aye Mami tini nya kase kakra nka ho. Wani. Se Ghana fort mi hwe nyame nim to abama MPP bi ma maka ne sense so. Ye betimi the acid aye nkwan anom obi awu. Eye Bawumia. Say ye Kennedy Agyapong me wo mo president na die no. E wo mo MPP ni mu. Me yankasa ameti he. I don't support anybody. Na de no ho ahyi ni ho abufu. Eye Bawumia. Me twa de party de bekwa koyi daba. I don't support anybody. Obi ad na sembrem so sabinka mekamano, but sitting here I don't support anybody. Hey Bawumia. Asakra wonim se o. Nyame na hia yen. Say it bitna asase so say Ghana ni even Akufo Addo say 2028 no wuye. Na Akufo Addo to be call ballot box ni. But wheelchair me yakotimi ko or the kokroboti koto abama MPP mi do nyame Akufo Addo betimi the acid aye nkwan ama mwadi wu. Nyame na shira yen na shimwo sabotwe mamia o se nyame shira woni samira Abraham hewanim am ka sam shira come on look me tall make up ma MPP Kwaji Erezi bought $2 billion. Kroma Central Region for Damo Fanchame Saman Koha. By this week, me was Central. $2 billion. Ghana for Munte. Mira Asante Ghana hini. Utu for say to a baby. What the old boss to train ye? Aya you nisha him kwafono. Can people ni be su or him for the town?
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
$2 billion. Woman catch and say, see hotel. I'm at the ship. Boat, yacht, abesisi odo ne so hwe Ghana for me do nyame se so otimi hwe nyame anim 2028 koto abama MPP a on me so betimi the acid ayen kwan wodi fufuo betum obamemene wumu hey jajibino GHY.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
Adam, $2 billion US. Dollar, maku, 2 billion.
Captain Smart.
Produce a video.
Morning show.
Akufo Addo dankasa. Ohu sa video no. Na engineer no church de mu kire no. Na fei ono ankasa ohwe ade na Akufo Addo dankasa ti o se akoye jimi. Na asebia wo kai. Afi baby obo nti nko saa afi do baby no wa che nti no wa hwa akwa nanim di o se ey awurade mawo Ghana for be yeme
wo papa pa ikiama
na yesi yakwaje $2 billion
ko wa do ta unsu ye ure wo busia
ye di besiesie odo so produce a video no
Captain Smart. The king.
Cleaning up is going to take about 6 months to complete this one. Then the Kuala Lagoon itself will take a longer time because that's where we have more composition of material, which needs to take a longer time, maybe about a year or two to finish. We're going to have recreational facilities. That is the sea outfall. So along we have recreational facilities, other infrastructure. We can have some hotels. We come at the end, and this makes the whole place. Then we're dredging all the way through cycle to Kuala Lagoon, where we call the cleft interceptor. From there, we end up at the estuary into the sea. Before the commencement of the work, this is how the situation was. The channels were heavily silted. Along the channel, you can see very heavy siltation. So this is the beginning. Then during the process of the dredging, we had these situations. Gradually, we come up to the end. Then finally, this is the stage that we have reached. And then after that, there was a continuation to carry out the silting, because as we progress, more silt comes, and you have to, this dredging, cleaning up is going to take about 6 months to complete this one. Then the Kuala Lagoon itself will take a longer time, because that's where we have more composition of material, which needs to take a longer time, maybe about a year or two to finish. We're going to have recreational facilities.
Mr. Producer,
That is
Mobi amam fama some man so. Hwe. Boko and the heat no was run ya dey. Na you can zoom me out. Na yet kuro him. Sa kwa we. When any attach ne Akufo Addo. Akwa gina ho se odo no. It's a sisi. We're going to build. Mr. Nyama, or Bushani Anna. When? We are going to build a recreational center. And the recreational center, it is going to span 230 meters from that distance to the estuary. Your Excellency, we are also going to dredge the Odo Lagoon, even though it is going to take a long time, but Your Excellency will be able to dredge, and then be able to make sure that the hotels will be on the right side to the estuary, so that tourists, when they come, they can
obusia wa dia
anti bi fache me waje etoda na Ghana asamba sa ho aya na bibi yeme ebusanfo nyese me mbu ade o he yetete me papa ka sabia buru sabia nyaado mintimi nya otumfu akobo hene echia me yetete me ka Pentecost for mama microphone jina so dem ntonyo yetete me
Captain Smart, the king of shows.
On my who here chance, sorry. Opa say opa jai. On my who here chance, sorry. Sayana sa Ghana samba na me home te me hu dia ben me hu na me tete na me hi.
Captain
Mr. President, finally. What we are going to do is to have educational facilities. So, for the first time in the history of Africa, we are going to have a university at the upper side of the Odo. And then we will have a kindergarten on the lower side of the Odo. We can have the most beautiful junior high school and senior high school at the middle part of the Odo. Your Excellency, people will come from London, America, France, and other parts of the world. They will put a boat on it, and then they will put a yacht on it, and then we will have a very beautiful Odo.
Papa, she 1 and 2. Woman, baby, crunch.
He is smart.
2 billion US dollars. It's gone waste.
Captain Smart.
That money, a shit. Messi would di Akufo Addo echi me do nya me wo hia no wedding ase. What the microphone na singers ne de to no what the babu na kum.
Obi is a boy, idin she.
Like Ivan ne kan nyame obebu Ken Ofori Atta ne Akufo Addo no oda wo gym.
She is a man. She is a man. Na so bad
we obesi ahihye omo blows no.
She is a man.
And then ensu atafa what to fear can say who what they kwasa hey mama men can say men fan Mahama but why are you blaming Mahama? Yet the club had $2 billion. Nobody is talking. Ye benya MPP nkwadan ketenketia Jimmy na ye won trimuma say achi obi no wakojira CID headquarters dinse really men crying so no na me say men kan ho asem e fiata go no so kura wo hadwe we pepiam sa akwhye mi
Captain Smart.
Meba
so he is smart.
Your friend is saying 2023 what na ye what's the house no 2023 oh yeah Debbie Bantama call roads moi Kojo Kyeremanteng na call works and housing bisa Kojo Kyeremanteng one says say Kojo Kyeremanteng o pesa aya na Ghana fokura ho ye mesre ye say o branded ho Encrofort one ya bobo braces abotai na ye de logo ato machi na o chese onya president to be Boakye Fachemi every before yeah bibini ye nipa every before yeah me can't be in there on them asem me nam te ase team said also te ase no fan sa wo fio every before yeah bibini yes Encrofort position wo mo when you want to position yourself without a pole, vision can never locate you.
John for and I'm almost so
package here. Hey, oh package you okay. When
John for and I'm
package you now. O package, who impress wine? Why not we impress no? We impress wine. Yeah, and a man who come and soon Jimmy. That's a guy with your packaging who packaging who or Yankuto. What are you going?
Obi say boy, didn't she?
Let it today. As I so watching a call, as I so watch it. Besides, I so watch it. Say 2023, 2024. Sikasa and MPP. Erezi. So what the best solve Accra. In so to fire. Besides, I so watch it. So we are watching a umwa. As I so watch you. Onya Asante.
John for and I'm almost so.
What would you Kumasi Gabby? So the Kumasi TUC junction as well. Kumasi TUC. We free Ahojo roundabout Eba. Now we free Santase roundabout Eba. A hot like KV in. Abraham. Then times not more Gabby or when China. Kohosa.
Razi. My MPP Biara. Onya ahobrase
Antina me check me time
ahobrase tetina pa ne mumbio
na yakofa hoda dakro
tetina pa ne mumbio
me Pentecost software Pastor Derek Kweni Mreku
wani
no ya Bompata district pastor na wa hyehyɛ mpaebɔ na saa mpaebɔ no mu na sɛ Kojo Kojo lidi ti yɛde mato so wo sere yɛ sign language a wo sere enti makɔ mampɔn mene Bishop Kwesi Sapon, Mpacho say ni no, Emeritus Kwesi Sapon, papa. Ena Sofpeni Safu Yinka, ni no. Ha. Enti omudi echire, yina ni di echire na yeko mampo. Ti menka no se mi refie. Ti sena Sofosu di area head. Echi Apostle J KSL. Aha, Apostle J KSL. Wanna know ye area head. Odinachi. Is it J KSL and say Dynentry Hamilton, Papa? Apostle entry. I said J KSL na ko na Apostle entry by na inte J KSL. That time we ye Easter convention e was in park so ho. When Kweku Jesse and na che say ye di him ho. Fine pa. Ti makọ na ase mi refie men kan sa se na me sofo so oni me ka no enti me sane afri ahojo roundabout ho ba branch left ura TUC a mi remu a Apostle Enimuni Santai
wani
that time na ye was sofo bi wo kwada so ye de ne ko Malawi o ye 10 gram mu bi say e mi refi papa idi e na de yakobo Apostle o ye 10 gram pa ye de fi kwada so ne ko Malawi me kai ni din na mebo say na onu nsu di area head chibi enti ye ase asofo no branch na bebia wo mo branch no ase ho na me so meko nti ase bika nyame wo so wo chikoto o he oto
Ta ajeta
enti ye nana me de me glass ne call from sabe hu apostle that no was apostle JKSL ne car nti me hu na pick up white or they call from ameni apostle nim dan crying so put that Mreku Kweni nso na teto ho yi
e fra na sai
yeji we say baba na bompata mapon
media nam green se manya brand new Pentecost
no. Papa, I say, Papa say, me, Branchy. Because I'm married to one. Dan crying, say, wanna make some no. Then so try a yiri. Wait. Dr. Richard Annan and J.A. for time in 2006. You could now, Anajo, time and now, or person you constructed a year as a full overpass. I'm my friend interchange, you know. Me, Dr. Richard Annan, Apoto Timati, Kwame Edinkra, Emranche Hene Yabua Afari. They no war capital no money show your friend say, Kojo Mafo. And Kwame, I go be the friend BB assise. Kwesi assise. I don't know. Ne yakoshe. Until 2007. And omu rezi hone kakra. Omu ko ta faso. 2008 ne be cheme hoyi. Masofo e cheme ya.
Media nam gwen semanya brand new Pentecost.
Perfect dem come me egu be home ko hage. Gwen. Apostle JK say 10. Yes, say 10.
Ajeta.
10. Now we are when the Pentecost apostle said 10, 110. I mean that the speed be a bit shame. Really? What was it, sir? Abraham, hey, baby, I made me 10 here. No, what was you be raising Hona Kosro? No more resi from a year Santasi runabout Eba. No more resi from a year Yamin Shram. I want to run about whether Fat Kodum Hono, a resi Akosro. It's a despite today. I know it's so Mutugui. Despite, we said despite. Despite no see down who free 100 runabout Eba when Sa left. Despite we see down Obutugui. Edgy cream. Kweku Annan also tested down on Owusu see down. And I'm saying the first one went to be on 2010 or 20 short. Because Kweku Annan was a despite. So, now maybe your Kogale. I want to right to go back. Why the Akoto? Bisa one take that Kodum, your Kocho, what die Huna, see a bedri Huna, Naya and Fofro. Kumasi for Muntiemi. You see at the $485 million near the Bay of Hotia Kakrano, about 300 meters. $485 million. Abraham, baby, I make one once a million. Bisa say Kumasi for a chairman from I want to run about baby despite the city dino. A sunny courses and that's run about one. I even swear 300 meters. From somebody $485 million. Sikano, I am ready. Yeah, maybe yes, Swami interchange. No, maybe you want so. Yeah, maybe yes, Swami interchange. Na ye a honso. Bisamine, say baby, I'm here by force 10. Cause Apostle JKSL. I want me tiko. I'm a kwa sorry. Besine, fio, GH boy, fio. Unya oboki hata upia moto. Yankam ye, ube kame metani. Besine, Antiama, lost it. $485 million, no. Kabashina man, Mokan say, Kabashimane. Kabashimane. Ete, Chese. Eta, Chese. Asa, Eta. Kabashimane, Eta. Kabashimane, Eta, Kente Shimaibo. I'm not just a Kente Shimaibo, Chese. David, I don't count. Can't touch my bone count. Kabashimane, Eta. Scanashi. And no Kahuna, Asante region, MPC, sorry, yet the name is 1 person pumpkin for Atta, and some women, I'm a was here. Asante for mama nka se me chemo ene Gabby ochedako na mabrochire akwe obedu ana so koyin
wani
ene Gabby ochedako atimi anya akukuduro producer mama mo video no so ma na bomam na me fan sore nko ko 7:35 na me ko
kachuli o se
Gabby ochedako Abraham ni masema waka o say the entia Akufo Addo entimi ama Ashanti region one develop ho no say MPs na ho no ene omo ye meeting say Asante fo hia mpuntu oh asama making ebia wutu fie wadwen be yo sem bwa enra obi ansambo on show so na mse menu ya ta video no mam
na bibini grab e de wiase aseme grab bibini aba wiase obresa awu
me sene ama producer manabo
minsu
said be ya wuti e kira wonya wadwen say mabo mitrim na meka Gabby ochedako say Ashanti region MPs no womoni Akufo Addo ne ono ene won aka ye nhyiemu no mo ka kire wo say Asante fo hia mpuntu mu hia t-shirt enti enam santi ema MP ba akokura be ka say ye pe MPP t-shirt chain interchange nyame na menka ho ebe video no nyame na menka MP no ka sa so minim no minim no it is a what Ashanti region na waje MPP atan wani ase a ko psychiatric hospital ko waje ko se to aba ye de pempuntu na se video nani ba producer de baba beto hama Gabby ochedako say the enti omoye akwan fiafia bi wo kubase nyina no manya hwe bi mu nyina na say MPs na say Asante fo mpempuntu ha enti say yemfa ne say Boakye Debi nya Boakye Agyarko asenso Boakye say on pempuntu a entimi nso masafo me pempuntu ho who say ye ti Asante memu no MP say wa Asante me omundu 50 eti nipa 50 pe enu masem na matie as against yenya ye team Asante region ye over 4 million Gabby ochedako kasa no abaya ba ko ye obi a wotu say Asante mpuntu ohia no na maame no sore he osan so no san sheda ko fa na chi mani hu say wu jimi won mo program na se ka chem say maame no ka chem say Gabby ja jimi no producer bo
because we MPP let Ashanti down because they didn't have flyovers. But I have been in meetings where MPs from Ashanti region have said that any flyovers they want their community closer.
Paul say, yeah, born in kakra. Gabby ochedako say, people are saying that they left Ashanti region undeveloped, but he has been in meetings where MPs in Ashanti region told that meeting that they are not interested in flyovers and other la ilaha illallah.
Razi, my MPP biara onya ahobrase
de tinapa ni mumio oh. So that is why my producer said my point 35 I come 6 minutes That is why Akufo Addo left Ashanti region like that. It is a CIA say MPP fought to be your prime minister, no candidate, and to obey Ashanti region campaign. Ne be yan say obinyan krofo so asan di wonachi. Double TV. Gabby otchere da ko say mo MPs na wo ho ni nyina NAPO. Asenso Boakye. Double TV. Dr. You are free. Hey, Osei Mensabunzu. Double TV. Name them Dr. Andiapia Kubi. Then times no MPs no one crying one more. Tremo apare wo na we chief of staff we Asante ni say na wa meeting. Double TV. Am ya catch them say Asante de ye mpempuntu. Ha. Double TV. $485 million. Dakodwom TUC Junction. Double TV. Eshim. Double TV. Kabashim mane eta.
The presidency has been so depraved.
Neko.
So mad.
Ghana for. And that's what in kindness in Suta. Yes, I agree. Mahamadu Bawumia president. You bet me be some bampani say oh yeah day. But Ghana for. Say we nim baby a we free a we baby a we be koda.
Money.
Yem we say $2 billion no away. Kumasi dakodwom hotea kakre $485 million no and also hin.
Na skanu wa.
Me enkan so eto wasem. Enra bobi ansem sam se me nka bi mabre. Eja wo yere suma na wankwa a wanhwe a ye mo aduane ndi. Teje fie piapia me sa de makɔhye ho. Ama man come central region asem. Central here this week you better drop it.
Captain Smart.
Ghana for
the king of
who share MPP ni wo party asia. When the menya na ye example JB wa hibra. GH boy bra. Me sorry you bra be jira. Who share MPP ni wo party asia membo no wo so no. Bra. Sa okobɔ na violence. Ti be catch say oh wabu obi. Eti wo share MPP ni a member no. Ada na wo dodge me mo. But wo so no say so no na wo so no sa na dwen no and reset it. Na bu say wo so the team no wa ye the team say ya na say eye wo a. Wusi Akufo Addo awe yi ase a no waso ne tirim no wawoso ne tirim sa na obisa nana eye wo a because the thing no here resetting o say wusi ya fencing one more chairman ya fencing 17 no waso tirim no wawoso ne tirim sa na say chairman eye wo a na akwaba akono ye general secretary ye fense makonta kodua de o ya branch ni komu den dan tiri se ya wo hwe ha no wa ye nse kakra wasa for to for wa ye nse kakra no wasa wuso no wo be say kodua eye wa oh because MPP 14 here resetting sorry ko MPP 40 here resetting. No one beside say, who are named so talk over Kabi. Munja galamsey asam na mayama yan Ken ade. Munka che sa Kwabena Agyapong John de di ni miracle nyame odim yansa pa o de afra Kwabena miracle. Jimmy bebrebe etimi ya miracle. Jimmy bebrebe etimi ya miracle. Miracle no nyani se ni na ya ade a efe o. Nana Nebuchadnezzar miraculously nyame ma ne dane aboa. So you can be called a miracle awajimi. Woso one be so say enti eyemo a say sika bebrebe a moje sam de be ye nkran nsuo ta.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Me say MPP DB shut up on galamsey. Me galamsey. Me ana me de ti Akufo Addo. Me ana me go so kan ne. And when this in penny hey captain and where they went susu. Galamsey mean susu. Ghana some the can I say mean susu. Mean susu.
Razi, my MPP biara onya ahobrase.
Eti o mine da ho as a Ghana ni kama for.
MPP biara
I say obi amfa Ghana ho e normal. Ye de ye pe ye say o mine no.
Ahobrase.
Eti senye se chema wuntumi odem no nya bela. Ka wo hia no Asante Bediatuo no wa wosu ni ti. No we send $485 million na na ye de beye da kodwom ho no ewen. Wuntumi sika no wen.
Adan. Menya Ghana ni bio. Ghana for mu sorry o.
Minia, that's what it.
Toda ya.
That's
toda ya sha.
Eti
ebushafo.
Yes, ye baby Samahama. Na mo answer na ye beti be busa Mahama. Ye musa MPP for no. Say $2 billion plus 1.3 billion. Plus the Kojom $485 million. Away.
Captain Smart.
Samikasa me di achia. Asa baby agrone kono. The asembeba.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.